That feels good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how a braid out turns out on locks, then keep watching this video. And then just massage it all over. Massage it all over. Ooh, that feels so good. That's why I need to go to the salon, to a loctician or something, so somebody else can do something with this. One thing I've been worried about is, because I pull it back so much for work, I've been worried about my edges thinning out, which, look at that. Yeah, I feel like it's getting really thin right there, so I definitely need to make sure I'm keeping oil. Oh, and even more so on this side. On it. That feels good. So when you go a while without retwisting it, it has the potential at the base to like start to form together. So I have a few where I need to go in and literally, oh my gosh, look, I can feel this one right here. Oh my gosh, let me show y'all. Or let me try to. Can you see that? Where it's like forming together. I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't tell if I'm showing you. Look at this. It is crazy. Anyway, it really hurts like when it's, well, you should put conditioner on it to pull it apart, which we're just gonna be gentle, okay? Because I need to work on that. Just move this out of the way. Kind of generous with the foam, and I just put it from the base of my hair, kind of rub it all the way down. Oh my gosh, this is pretty much one lock. Oh my god, no. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That feels like it is completely one lock. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm tripping out. Now I almost don't even want to do this. Just because I need to like take it apart. I don't want that to be one. That would be huge if it is. No. Oh my gosh. I might have to cut this. Not my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna do this now. I might have to give my homegirl so she can do my hair so she can take this apart. But what if she can't? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, she's calling me. Rachel.
Okay, stop.
I am filming a braid out on my hair, right? Look at this. I need help. Girl, when I went to pull it, I was like, wait a minute.
No, those are connected.
That is mad connected. Luckily, you can see like where it would be split.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. I don't even want to finish filming this. I need to take care of it. I'm gonna put some coke or I can't get my life together. I think I'll put some conditioner on there. You know, let it soak and then try to slowly take this one apart. Girl, I said, I need to call Rachel. Okay, so I was very tempted to abort this mission. So I'm thinking that one braid out is not gonna make a difference from the fact that it's already connected like that. So I'm just gonna continue on. Anyway, now for the other side. This one feels tight. No, look at that. Oh my gosh. That one feels more connected than the other one. Oh no. I just feel like, you know, at least if you can see where it splits, that helps. I gotta get my life together in more ways than one. Go, 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 go.
Hey, hey, get it.
Go, go, go,
Get it.
go, go, go. Kenneth and I are getting ready to go to the movies. The lighting in here sucks. This is how I decided to style my braids. So as you can see, Rachel ended up coming over the next day to redo my hair, which I love her so much for. That way she could pull those locks apart that were connected at the base. So again, thank you, Rachel. She be saving my life. And all she did was re-braid it back up for me. Good morning, folks. So it has been 2 days since I braided my hair up. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what that was going to look like. It sucks that I will have to spray this out, so I want to be able to keep these little waves because of the shoot tomorrow. Whenever you do, like if you get booked for a gig, then you have to show up basically the way that you looked at the casting. So my hair was not curly at the casting, so my agent said the best thing would be, because I asked her, I know that that's the case typically, but I went ahead and asked her anyway, just in case she was like, because I know they're gonna pull it to the side, but because my hair was straight, it has to be straight again, so it's all good. It's kind of cute like this, where the top part is still braided and the back is out and curly, and it's kind of cute. No? Am I tripping? Could this be a look? Could this be a look? I don't know. Could this be a look? Can y'all tell? I know there's a lot going on in the back. Let me see. Y'all gotta let me know if this could be a look. Okay. I'm gonna finish this up. I will have to show you guys how it looks later because I need to get out of here. Okay, Okay, so I'm in the car. I just got off of work. I'm trying to, the sun is super bright, but I was trying to show you guys what my hair turned out like, because it'll be gone, unfortunately. But that's okay. So yeah, these are the little curls, little crinkles. I just got off work and I'm getting ready to head to Family Dollar, and then stay in the area so that I can meet everybody for bowling. Sorry, I'm like not looking at the camera, I'm looking up at myself in the thing. But yeah, so I can meet everybody for bowling, and then I have to go get my nails done for shoot tomorrow. I also got feedback from another really big casting that I did recently, and it was great feedback. My agent was like, I don't know what you're doing, but whatever it is working. And so I'm really excited about that. I'm like, girl, it's just my time.